Hallett railway station, one of our huts obviously at Hallett, situated on the Hyson Trail on its eastward-westward leg. Quite a large tank with good water. The old railway line, now defunct, and inside we've got a bedroom with the traditional sort of bunking arrangement, and then there's quite a big kitchen, which was the old ticket room, with seats and a potbelly stove and a sink, which hopefully has got water plumbed to it. It would if it was turned on, probably at the tank. And then back through the bedroom, and next door is an open room. This is a hut locked by combination lock, but the other sleeping quarters in fact is unlocked, and so you don't need the combination. The combination is accessible from the friends. And then we've got the locals who come here to look at books and stuff. And then out the back is one of the new hybrid toilets, which seems to work quite well.